how to change wallpaper in your Android mobile. So let's get started here. First of all, open your home screen and just tap here anywhere on your screen, and you can see the dialog box is open and you can see your wallpaper. Just click here wallpaper and then you can select any one of this wallpaper, but if you want your default wallpaper of your mobile, then go to profile and then click here wallpapers, and then you can see here my wallpapers is here of system wallpapers, so I can choose any one. So my home screen is this one for now, so I will click here this one and just click on apply, and I can set this both as a lock screen or home screen. So for now I am going to keep your home screen and its setting, and now my home wallpaper is applied, and you can see I have changes the wallpaper within a minute. So in this way you can change your wallpaper easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates.